Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove go to settings to activate Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for registry editor. After that, run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on HK local machine. After that, we're going to click on system and then just scroll down and look for current control set, which is right here. So click on that. And then we're going to click on services and then just scroll down once again until you see SVSVC, which is right here. So we're going to click on it. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to look for start and then double click on it and then change the value data from 3 to 4. So once you change it to 4, just click on OK and then just close this tab and then restart your PC by going here. And then once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.